Sophia's passion for cooking. I'm a host, Sophia. Easter is this Sunday, and to celebrate, I'm going to make a perfect dish, mutton biryani. This is not only a favorite for Indians, but anyone who wants to be part of this joyous time. Before I start, I just want to say a special thanks to you for your continuous support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe, and also hit the bell to see all my uploads immediately. Let's get started. Using 1.5 pounds of halal mutton pieces, first I'm going to steam it. Into that add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste, 1 cup of chopped tomato, 1.5 tablespoons of chopped ginger, 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic. In a mortar and pestle, grind ginger and garlic into a nice paste. One cup of sliced onions and 1/2 cup of water. Give it a good mix. Cook on high till the pressure builds. Once the pressure comes, put the pressure weight on and wait for 3 whistles. Then reduce the heat to low and cook for 20 to 25 minutes. Let it stand for 10 minutes before you open it. The meat has cooked well. Set it aside. Let's prepare the rice. Take 1.5 cups of basmati rice. Wash it and soak it for 20 to 30 minutes. The longer you soak, the better it will taste. Other ingredients: 1 big tomato chopped, 2 onions sliced, 2 green chilies, adjust your taste, 10 cloves of garlic, 1 big size of ginger root. Chop ginger and garlic into a small pieces and grind them into a nice paste. Mint leaves are must for biryani. I don't have fresh ones, but I'm going to use dry mint leaves. During the summer, I save some for the winter. Ghee is also one of the most important ingredients for biryani, and also plain yogurt. In a big pot, add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and 2 tablespoons of ghee over high heat. Whole spices, 3 to 4 bay leaves, a small piece of javitri, multani moti, just 1 piece, 4 to 5 cardamom pods, 1/4 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 4 to 5 cloves, 2 to 3 anise stars, cinnamon sticks, 2 to 3. Once the oil is hot, add all the spices at once and add fresh mint leaves too. I'm using my dry mint leaves. Add chilies and onions and fry till the onions turns nice and brown. Add ginger garlic paste and fry it for 2 minutes. Add chopped tomatoes and mix it well. Into that, add 1 teaspoon of ground paprika. You may substitute with red chili powder. My little one doesn't like spicy food. 1/2 teaspoon of cumin powder. 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. And finally, add 1/8 teaspoon of garam masala. Let all the ingredients get well incorporated. Cover it and cook on medium-low till it releases oil. You can see the oil is releasing. Add cooked mutton with no liquid. And let all the ingredients get well incorporated. Add 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Adding yogurt and lime juice make the meat tender and soft. Mix it well. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. I freeze mine from fresh lemons. Add salt to taste. Cover it and cook on medium-low for 5 to 10 minutes. Take some saffron threads and soak it with a teaspoon of rose water. This is optional, but it adds a wonderful flavor to the food. And set it aside. The more you cook, the softer the meat is. Give it a good mix again. Add rice and mix it well. Use this broth too. Altogether, I'm adding 3 cups of water. Give it a good mix and bring it to a nice boil on medium heat. Now the water has evaporated. Add chopped coriander leaves. Add saffron rose water mix along with 1 or 2 tablespoons of ghee. Take an aluminum foil, cover the top and put the lid on and cook for 7 minutes on low heat. It's almost 7 minutes. It smells so great. Slowly fold it. It came out very well. Set it aside. Let it stand for 10 minutes before you serve. Please check out my other mutton biryani and onion raita recipes in the description box. You're always welcome to leave your comments and suggestions, or if you want to share your recipes, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos. Bye-bye.